John Brown by Bob Dylan. John Brown went off to war to fight on a foreign shore. His mama sure was proud of him. He stood straight and tall in his uniform and all. His mama's face broke out all in a grin. Oh, son, you look so fine. I'm glad that you're a son of mine. You make me proud to know you hold a gun. Do what the captain says. Lots of medals you will get, and we will put them on the wall when you come home. As that old train pulled out, Johnma began to shout, telling everyone in the neighborhood, "That's my son, that's about to go. He's a soldier now, you know." She made well sure her neighbors understood. She got a letter once in a while, and her face broke into a smile as she showed them to the people from next door. She bragged about her son and with his uniform and gun. And these things you call a good old fashioned war. Oh, a good old fashioned war. Then the letters ceased to come. For a long time, they did not come. They ceased to come for about 10 months or more. Then a letter finally came saying, "Go down and meet the train. Your son is coming home from the war." She smiled and went right down. She looked everywhere around, but she could not see her soldier son in the sight. But as all the people passed, she saw her son at the last. When she did, she could hardly believe her eyes. Oh, his face was all shot up, and his hand was all blown off. And he wore a metal brace around his waist. He whispered, kind of slow, in a voice she did not know, while she couldn't even recognize his face. Oh Lord, not even recognize his face. "Oh, tell me, my darling son, pray tell me what they done. How is it you come this way?" He tried his best to talk, but his mouth could hardly move, and the mother had to turn her face away. "Don't you remember, Ma? When I went off to war, you think it was the best thing I could do. I was on the battleground, you were home acting proud. You wasn't there standing in my shoes." Oh, and I thought, when I was there, God, what I'm doing here? I'm trying to kill somebody or trying. But the thing that scared me the most was when my enemy came close, and I saw that his face looked just like mine. Oh Lord, just like mine. And I couldn't help but think, through the thunder rolling us think, that I was just a puppet in the play. And through the roar and smoke, this thing finally broke, and a cannonball blew my eyes away. As he turned away to walk, his ma was still in a shock at seeing the metal brace that helped him stand. But as he turned to go, he called his mother close and he dropped his medals down into her hand.